How challenging is your job or your career? How much passion do you have for your job or your career? How satisfied are you with your job or your career? Did you ever know that you can create a healthy, happy working environment for yourself? What is a healthy, happy working environment in the first place? To me, a healthy, happy working environment has to be safe, it has to be empowering, it has to be satisfied, it has to be physically, mentally, and socially healthy. And sometimes, for some reasons, all these don't come in one package. But as an employee, you can work out some things. You can work out your way to make your environment, your working environment, less stressful, healthy, and happy. So, hello everyone out there, and welcome to another very interesting topic on this journey towards living a healthy, happy lifestyle. And if you're watching me for your very first time, I am Dana Are. I am your companion on this journey towards living a healthy, happy lifestyle. And if you want to join me, please just go ahead and click on the subscription button so that you will be amongst the first to always get my video each time I upload. Today, I would like to share with you some tips I have been using to make my working environment peaceful, less stressful, healthy, and happy. If you are ready to grab some tips from me, then please go ahead and take a seat right in front of me because I'm going to be sharing with you my 7 tips on how to make your job, career, or your working environment less stressful, happy, and healthy. So let's get started. So, number one on my list is eat and drink water. Yeah, some people may say she likes talking about eating. Yes, I love food, and anybody who knows me knows that I'm a very happy woman after I've eaten very well. So, talking about food here, I'm not talking about quantity, I'm talking about quality. We need to eat very well. We need to drink very well to get the necessary vitamins, to get the necessary nutrients that is going to help us against fatigue, stress, and anxiety. So, if we don't combat all these things, we are not going to have any good day, and that is going to affect our job site or our career. Number two, sleep well. Or I've got talent to sleep. So less than 6 hours of sleep a day is not enough to support any form of stress. Normally, we are supposed to sleep at least 8 hours a day. But if you work too much like I do, then 6 hours of sleep can do you some good. So if you want to be very healthy and happy at your job site, you need to learn how to do at least 6 hours of sleep a day. I can sleep for 8 hours when I'm not going to work the next day or when I'm on vacation. But as long as I'm going to work and I'm working a lot, 6 hours of sleep is enough for me. Number three, self love. I love this one. Yeah, self love and worth. If you know your self worth and you have your self love, is going to help you a lot in your working environment, especially for those of us who are working abroad. For example, I, for one, most often where I work, I'm the only African or the only dark skinned woman, and I get a lot of embarrassing questions that can affect my output, that can affect even my working with the team. But what I do is that I respond to these questions with a lot of love for myself. Some may say it's arrogance or pride, but I call it confidence, because if you don't know yourself worth, you don't love yourself, it's going to affect your working environment. Number four, invest in yourself. Talking about investing in yourself, I'm not only talking about investing on your physical appearance. You have to invest in knowledge too. They say knowledge is power. I say knowledge is really powerful because some people face a lot of difficulties in their job or careers when they don't have a clue of their job descriptions, or they don't even know what their career is all about, or the changes around their career. So what to do is to invest in yourself, get more knowledge to improve on your output. This time it is very easy for you to acquire knowledge, because you can get knowledge through internet, from Facebook to Google to YouTube, or you can even do some online studies. Go in for some further studies, because some people use this as an advantage to pull you down when you want to inquire some things from them, which has to do with your job or your career. So please do improve on yourself, update yourself, invest in yourself, gain more knowledge that is going to help you in your working environment. Number 5, listen to your body. I always say this: listen to your body. Some people always find it difficult to react to the signals from their bodies, because they are afraid that their bosses may think that they are not fit for the job. But there is no way you're going to be productive if you are not healthy. If you feel tired easily, if you get angry easily, if you feel so stressed up, please take your time and visit your doctor, or go to the hospital. Even if it means you taking some time off just to go and see a doctor, please do that. It's going to help you so much in your working environment. Some people may be thinking about minus hours of work. Some people may be thinking about less a salary at the end of the day, but that is going to be just for a short period of time. In the long run, if you take good care of your health, it's going to help you in your career or in your working environment. Number 6, talk to your boss about your stress at work. Some people find it very difficult to discuss with their boss about the stress that they are facing at their job site. Some may think that their bosses will be mad at them, will tell them, "Oh, I hired you because I knew you could do this. I hired you because I knew you were capable." But then sometimes maybe you just need modern equipment to beef up your production. You just need some few things to add up to what you have to make your job easier. So please don't find it difficult, or don't resist to talk to your boss if you are facing stress at your job site. Number 7, I love this one with all my body, soul, and spirit: to take a vacation. This is exactly what I did, and please, right now, I feel like, wow. For all the times we work, for all the sleepless nights we have, for all the challenges, the stress, the depression, the suppression, everything at work, we need some time off of this work, of this working environment, just to go and rejuvenate ourselves, empower ourselves, rethink, reflect, and do everything that is going to help improve our health, improve our mental state, improve our energy before we come back to work again. So taking a vacation after some time of work, I believe, is very, very important and is very, very helpful. So ladies and gentlemen, these are my 7 tips I've been using all this while to better my working environment. So if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to share, because you might be helping someone out there without even knowing. Thank you very much for listening to what I have got to say. Thank you very much for all your contribution. Thank you very much for all your comments. Thank you for your subscription. And please do stay glued to my channel, because we're gonna be talking something. Choose sort of. Bye.